Adam, do it?
Yeah.
Look at the plane, Adam.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Name. Making a fish. Let's turn it over. Okay, let's see. Let's make a place for it here. Like this.
Mom.
Is it ready?
No.
1, 2, 3. Let's see.
No.
Fish.
No.
Another fish? Then you make this fish. This. Adam, put this first. This one first. You have to put this sand in here first. It's not dangerous.
What was it?
Like a sharp tag.